Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston again. Today I want to show you guys a customer's boat that just arrived. This is a brand new 175 Sportfish from Scout Boats. This is a 2022. And you'll see the optional equipment this customer has. He's got the full hull midnight blue, or excuse me, the midnight blue hull color, the Yamaha 115 upgraded engine. He did the trim tabs options with the standard swim platform over there on the port side. Did the aft jump seat backrest. See, that's nice. The standard swivel helm seats. Dash. It's all the standard setup with battery switch, vertical rod rack storage there, built-in cooler, as well as he selected the bow cushion option. Again, this is a Scout 175 Sportfish. If you guys would like to build a boat similar to this, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson Guys from MarineMax in Charleston. Thanks for watching.